Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove SIM cards and SD card from your phone Oppo A78 5G. First of all, go to the left side of our phone and see here a hole. In this hole, you go to insert SIM ejector tool. Just bring SIM ejector tool and insert the tool into this hole, and the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just pull it out, and here you will see the SD card and SIM card that have been already mounted. Yes, just pull it out and just remove like this, and replace the SIM tray into your phone like this. Yes, now one SIM card and one SD card have been removed from your phone. In this way, you can easily remove SIM card and SD card from your phone Oppo A78 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.